everybody. It's Corey and Denise with Does Size Matter. We're about to head out on another business trip slash adventure slash birthday party. A friend of mine's turning 50, actually turned 50 yesterday. We're at a party tomorrow that he does not know about.
Surprise!
So we're headed up to Fort St. John.
So we are going to drive this time because it was kind of short notice, but it's a good way for us to do business and combine our family visits and fun time too. We have a big trip coming up to start chapter 4 here soon. So normally we travel on air mile points, and we're going to hang on to those to cover our next flights. So that means this time
We're driving.
we're driving. It's going to be great.
It's yeah, fantastic scenery. It's actually, I'm looking forward to it. It's like 1,100 kilometers, but it's great scenery. We'll show you along the way.
We're going to go
Beautiful
through
stuff.
the Pine Pass just after some big dumps of snow. So this is true winter in rural BC. It's going to be great. We can't wait to show you.
All right, let's go. Wash the car? Why wouldn't you wash the car? I couldn't see out of the mirrors anymore. It was super dirty. We're heading north. I think it's going to stay colder now, so it should stay cleaner, but the car was a mess. There's so much salt on the roads, so it gets that off.
Elevation is 933 meters, which is so low.
So compared to where we are in the States, yeah.
I know.
But we're a lot further north.
Yeah.
Good place to break now.
John, checking out our buildings.
Properties.
We did some work and we need to follow up on it. So that's the plan. But it's really cold here. Like, how cold?
Minus 21. You can tell you're in Fort St. John because there's diesel trucks running in the background everywhere.
Everywhere. Winter in Fort St. John is work time.
Okay, well, let's get our work. One of the projects we're checking up on while we're here, last fall we put insulation, like a reflective insulation in the ceiling of this building because we were having a lot of ice buildup issues last winter. It's minus 21 this morning. We've had a lot of freeze thaws, which causes ice, and there's no ice on the side of the building. So clearly what we did worked. When the trucking company leased the property, one of the things we had to do was put in this loading dock. It's a double width loading dock. Denise and I actually did that ourselves. We did hire a contractor to do the back wall against the building itself. We did the grading and put in the retaining walls. They're 4,000 pound blocks. I think it was about 30 of them. I think one of the reasons why we were having ice build up is because they often have the doors open. So it's a lot of extra heat being lost through the doors. So another thing we're checking into, because of the snow here and the way sometimes snow gets pushed against fences, it knocks them down. So in the spring, we're gonna have to repair this, so I need to get some quotes. So one of the other things I gotta check out, this building here, we had the windows replaced last month, and I just need to go and check and make sure everything's good before we sign off and make final payment on them. There was 22 windows done.
Why are we filming this from in here?
Well, because the last time we filmed outside, I could barely feel my ears after being outside for 5 minutes, so thought we were doing it from in here. Comfort of the car.
All right, get your work done.
All right, here I go.
We choose the RV Sometimer lifestyle, which means we're on the road in our RV for months at a time, and we love it. People wonder, how do we do that since we aren't retired? And the answer is we work remotely while we're on the road, and then when we're at our home base, we do the important in-person work like we're showing you here. All RV Sometimers have their own way of working or producing income, and this is ours. It is possible to continue to work or run a business and live the RV Sometimer lifestyle, seeing beautiful places and going on super fun adventures. So come on, join us. Where there's a will, there's a way.
I guess this is a chain up area.
Apparently the pilot car is just the pilot car.
Right.
You'd think it might be nice if you got out and helped chain
Gave the
that
guy
up.
a hand. Yeah.
Maybe Buddy doesn't really want help with his chains, because
Yeah,
then it's hard to be responsible for someone else's work.
it is, yeah. Well, it has warmed up. It's minus 18.
Thanks. I get it. Who wants to be out chaining up at minus 18?
Traveling the road between Fort St. John and Hudson Hope, and it's a beautiful area. It's a Peace River Valley behind us. This Peace River Valley is going to transform into something other than this over the next 10 years. They're building Site C Dam near Taylor, near Fort St. John, and that is going to flood out vast area here. Pros and cons to that. I guess the pros of a hydroelectric dam is it's long-term, no emissions once it's built, reliable power that BC needs. The downside, and there's downsides to everything, the downside to that is this is not going to be this once it's complete.
Well, we're back.
That was a long trip.
It's been a long, exhausting trip. How far did we go?
2,250 kilometers.
That's our work slash family slash friends fun adventure.
Beautiful scenery though, like as you guys probably know by now. It is a beautiful drive, just very long.
But we were glad to share it with you. So if you like this and you want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Leave a comment.
Give us a like.
And we'll see you on the road.